Yo, what's up, guys? And today we are playing Animal Hospital. And I think you know what time it is. It's Spooky Friday, baby. Let's get it. Alright, let's see. So, what am I supposed to be doing here? Start now. Work the hospital until you find out what's really happening. Alright, bet. Waiting for players. It's only me, bruh. Alright, done. Okay. Check in patients. Oh, hell no. Oh, I'm supposed to stay in here. Fair enough. Hey? What's up? I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Print your papers. Okay. There you go, kind sir. I got room 1. You sure did. Alright, what? Coffee's ready. Increases my sanity? Yeah, I think I'll need that. A gun? Oh, it's Robux. I'm Oscar Whiskers. I have an appointment. This guy's got nothing weird going on, it doesn't seem like. Alrighty. Alrighty, sir. Here you go. Here you... Thanks, I'll be in room 2. Alright, go ahead, man. Have fun. Wait, am I helping them too? Do I have cams as well? Like, hello? Why is this so weird? Treat remaining patients too. I have to treat them as well? Hello? Ouch. Let me do it again. Never mind, I guess. Am I making a hot pocket? What's happening? Why? What? Okay. Stomach ache. Treat the patient with what? With what? With what? Treat with what? Am I stupid? Is it this? Okay. Better not start some goofy stuff. You better just recover normally. Why is there bandages from a stomach ache? I don't know, but whatever. Patient 2. Hello, sir. Ouch. Yep, thank you for that. I'll close this for you, sir. Just gotta wait for the hot pocket. Alright, open this. Do whatever this is. Dried eye. What? Eye drops. What is that noise? Nah, bro, you got me messed up. What was that noise? The doctor is arriving? Okay. Where am I supposed to be right now? And what is he doing? When did I hire you, bro? I can't even go in there? So he walks into my building and he can go in there, but I can't? My name is Molly King. What? How do I not allow this? I'm leaving. You better. Noob. Oh, wait. They were still walking outside. Open the shutters. Hey, hey, darling. My name is Haru King. I have an appointment. I don't see anything weird. You look just fine, sir. Why is that person still sitting there? Here you go, sir. In room what? What do I do? Wait, is he alive now or something? Why did bro randomly pass out? Fever? Treatment thermo? Okay, coming right up. There you go, sir. Enjoy. Alright, next customer. I have other things to do, you know? Shut up. That guy's fine, right? Why is his ear like that? It's just an infection, right? It's just an infection, right? Alright, there you go, sir. I'll be in room 1. I do not care. Alright, who's next? Why do your eyes look like that? Why is he tweaking? Surely when I take the picture, he won't be a monster, right? Am I allowed to let this through? Hell no, I'm not. I don't care. No. No. Hurry up? Hello? Okay. I'll hurry up for you, sir. Like, bro, what do you mean hurry up? Just go, bro. Why are you fainting right now? Why are you deciding to faint right now? Didn't this person say room... Wait, what? This person said room 5, though. What am I supposed to do about that guy? Why do I have so much job stress? Stressing out about what? Stop fainting. Why are they all fainting, bro? Just get out of here, please. Let me just treat this person. It's been quite a while. I mean, that's really how it is at the doctor. You're just like sitting in your room for like an hour straight just for them to do a 5-second checkup. Like if you agree. Actually, you should like no matter what because I'm correct. 2 things at once? Eye drops? This is the right thing, right? No, that's not. What I just grabbed. Yo, you gave me a heart attack for a second, bro. Where are these eye drops at? What the... Okay, take your crap, bro. There you go. The doctor is arriving? Yo, shut up. What am I supposed to do about that? I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. No, don't give me more stuff to do. Are we serious? I prevented 0 animal deaths. 3, wait, what? What is happening right now? This is about to be my last shift, bro. I can't have too long of a video, so. Hello, my name is Charlie Taylor. I have an appointment. You're looking fine to me. Okay, sir. Enjoy. Better not turn into some weird stuff. I'll be in room 2. Yeah, go ahead, man. Hello, sir. I'm Daisy Han. I came to visit someone. You mean that one person that just showed up? What do you mean you came to visit someone? What are you trying to do, little bro? I'm just kidding. Here you go. Good luck. Yeah, just go ahead, bro. Get out of here. Am I supposed to not look at that? I didn't read any instructions. You better leave, bozo. Oh, what? Yo. Hello, sir. Hey? What? I'm here for my appointment? Give me your papers. Looking just fine. Alright, enjoy. Who is that, bro? Actually, can I talk to that person? Are you okay? Why are you still sitting in my hospital? It's been 3 days. Whatever. Good luck, Hannah. Good luck. What? Why were you burning, sir? Your face looks slightly different from everyone else, but let's just say you're chill. I'll give you your papers. There you go. I got room 1. Alright, go ahead. Hello? Are you okay? What are you talking about? Am I supposed to treat this guy? Why is he... Chillax, dude. Am I supposed to be giving this to him? Are the myths real? What is he talking about? Get out of here. Get out of here. No. No way. I kind of want a gun. What if I just start shooting people up? I'm Zoe Feathers. I'm here for my appointment. Of course. There you go, Zoe. What? Why are you the only person that glitched my camera, little bro? Get out of here. What you talking about? I served the narwhal, right? Probably. Want to check in as a patient? Okay, yeah, for sure. Fine to me. There you go, go ahead. You gotta be kidding me. What? Goofy out bot? Was that supposed to be scary? It did nothing to me. How many people do I have to check in? Where even am I? I don't know, bro. I think I'm done with this game, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll play it again if this video gets 2 likes. But it won't. My videos get no views. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Peace.